guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today's wig is brought to you by Royalme.com. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. Royalme was kind enough to send me one of their 12-inch pre-plucked bob. This wig is on the silky side with the texture. This wig does come with shine, but to me the shine is very nice. So like I said before, this is a lace front wig and it comes pre-plucked. This is what the hairline looks like. Not only does the hairline comes pre-plucked on this wig, but it also comes with pre-bleached knots. This is Royalme new Wearproof fake scalp. Before I get into that, this is what the inside of the wig look like. You get about 6 inches of parting space. Behind the lace, you get 3 combs. Also in the nape area, you get another comb in the back with adjustable straps. The extra lace makes the fake scalp breathable and soft. Also, the good thing about this wig, you don't have to wear a wig cap with this. You don't have to do any bleaching or plucking or just any DIY needed necessary. This wig also comes with a removable adjustable straps. It's very easy. All you have to do is hook it just like the back of a bra strap, boo. So like I said before, you don't have to wear this wig with a wig cap. I'm just choosing to go in with the wig cap so I can have my braids as flat as possible. Off camera, I went ahead and flat ironed the wig. And it looks really nice and flowy, and it's so cute. I think it's just really nice and cute for every day. So like I said before, the hairline does come pre-plucked. I'm not gonna go in and pluck it. I feel like if you do go in and pluck it, that extra lace material will show, so I would just leave it how it comes. Plus it looks pretty natural in my opinion, and the lace blends really well. Like, wow, I don't have any powder on the lace or anything. So like I said, you get about 6 inches of parting space, so you could part it in the right, middle, or left. Yes. So now I'm gonna go in and cut the lace off. You could always go in and cut the lace while it's on your head, or you could cut the lace while it's in your hand. You can even put it on your mannequin head and cut the lace. Just try to cut as close as to the hairline as possible. Not too close, because if you do cut the hair, your wig could shed and nobody don't want a messed up hairline now. Right here is where I hooked my adjustable straps. When I was flat ironing the wig, it was very simple, you guys. All I did was take some huge sections from the wig and just flat iron the wig on 400 degrees. I didn't go in with any product and it came out really nice. It's just so gorgeous. Look at it. It looks like a fresh wash, and it wasn't any work. The lace blends really well with my skin. Even the scalp go well with my skin color. It looks really nice. For other people that's probably wondering, can you get the lace a little tinted? You could probably always go in and tint the lace yourself, or you could even apply some powder underneath and it will change the cap color too. I just left the cap color alone because it matches my skin so well and my scalp color well, so sure, I'm just going to leave it how it is. This wig is so gorgeous. I am really feeling myself. I told them to eat the cookie because it's good for him. What you said? You called me. You called me. You called me. You ain't called me. Alright, don't call me. This wig got me acting a fool. Like, it's so gorgeous. So about this wig. This wig is so gorgeous. Like, the texture is just so pretty. It's a silky texture. It's crazy because it actually looked like it has a yuckiness to it, but it looks really great. It feels like Peruvian hair. If you know the difference between Brazilian hair and Peruvian hair has more of this kind of coarse texture than Brazilian. Brazilian is way more silky. In my opinion, this feels like Peruvian, but it could be Brazilian for all I know. If I do find out, I'll be sure to link it below, or it's probably going to be on the website, so I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. The density on this wig is on the thin side, but I am totally fine with that because it's a bob and it's hot, and I don't really need my bob to be too thick right now, so I feel like this density is really perfect. As for the length, I feel like the length is just fine on me. My height is 5'6". Shedding was super duper duper minimum. I barely got any shedding. I got like a few strands, nothing hectic. Like, I feel like I can handle it. You can handle it. Tangling, I got 0 tangling. 0 tangling. And my thoughts on the fake scalp. I feel like this is genius. I remember another YouTuber kind of starting this trend. I don't remember her name, but I'll be sure to put it right here. She started this trend with like a wig cap. I don't remember how she put the wig cap onto the wig, but it was so smart. Like, she totally did that. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but y'all need to check out that video. But I feel like this is the idea they're going for. But I love how the material that they used for underneath for the fake scalp, it's not thick at all. You cannot see no line or demarcation. Like, it's just perfect. And in front of the fake scalp, the material that they used, they also left just a tiny bit of lace, and I feel like that's really nice because it gives you this like vision of it coming out your scalp first, and then it fades into your scalp. And a lot of people's scalp is like, well, I don't know if everybody's scalp is not the same color as their skin, so this is just a tiny bit lighter than my skin tone, so I feel like it gives off more of a naturalistic look instead of when I use like my powder on my wigs. But I also like that look too, like when my skin blended with my scalp. It's not realistic enough, but it's still cute, you know. So I really like it. The cut came really great. I didn't have to go in and trim it or cut anything. The cut comes really nice. All I have to do is bump it. I don't have any product on the hair except for at the top. I used my first Wigs flyaway tamer just to get those little flyaways out the way, and it's just great. As for the elastic band, I used the first hook that comes with it, and it fits really snug, like really good. I don't feel like I'll get a headache. It feels great. As for the hairline, the hairline comes a tiny bit pre-plucked. If I were you, I want to go in and pluck it more, because if you do, then you'll kind of like see that material that they use to make the fake scalp. So I feel like it comes fine and looks natural. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too thin of a hairline. It looks like a healthy hairline. Some people like it when it's like really thin. Sometimes I like that look, sometimes I don't. So I feel like this is just fine. It's fine, y'all. It's fine. And then look at when it's combed. Like, it's just so cute. So if you have any questions, feel free to like comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, guys.